What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be teaching our mom how to make slime. So, yeah. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do, where did the other bowl go? Oh my god. 1 minute. There. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pour in the glue. What? Oh, never mind. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add in the glue. So my mom is going to be a student and she's going to train by pouring in the glue as much as she wants.
Here we go.
And he's going to pour it in as much as he wants.
Okay.
Okay. Now, pick one of these colors.
You know what? I'll take the blue.
I'll take the blue. Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay. So my mom picked, where's the blue of this blue?
Mm-hmm.
My mom picked this blue. Sorry, the lighting is very bad.
It's not bad. It looks perfect.
Okay, whatever. She's going to... Yeah. It's out.
Oh, that's what happens when someone puts away empty bottles. Instead of throwing them. Let's throw it in the trash. Okay, purple looks good.
Okay. Yeah. And do you want a dark or light purple?
Light.
So we're going to add in just 1 drop. Now we're going to... Ooh, it's close. Yes. Now, I'm just going to stir it. And then it will turn into, I hope...
Ooh. Ah. Oh. Okay, looks good, looks good.
Okay. Okay, can you get the activator?
Ooh, that's a lot of activator. Did you really fill that whole thing with activator? Don't you just need like a quarter?
It might not activate. You never know.
Let's do it more carefully.
Can you wash your hands, please?
Sorry, guys. I have crazy stuff going on right now.
Put it closer. Put it closer. Put it closer.
Okay, fine.
There you go. Now, that way you won't spill it all over the counter. Little one.
Trying to activate this. Oh my god. Sophia, help me out here.
I see it activating.
Okay, maybe we should add in like pink sauce. Okay, I think it's activating. Maybe we have to add in a little bit more borax. Okay.
I don't think so.
So you guys, it's not really activating that much. But I think we're gonna add more borax, and if yours doesn't activate,
Get it closer.
you can add
Gucci gang.
Sorry, that's my brother.
He's very crazy.
So yeah, it's now activating, so you can see
Activating.
starting to form.
Sadly, today Sophia is not making slime.
She's activating it.
I know, but she's not making the slime.
Oh, I see. See, it's
So
getting...
It's kind of getting thicker.
And melted.
Well, not kind of melted.
It's getting slimy.
Yeah, it's getting slimy.
I don't think you need that much, do you?
Well, it matters if your slime is
Are we putting more borax?
more borax into it. I think it's good. It's starting to form.
Let me start stirring.
So now,
Sophia.
see, it's kind of starting.
Oh my god, why are you touching it?
Because I can't.
Oh my god. So moldy.
You don't need more. You put enough in it.
Yeah, you put it in.
You don't need more. Maybe you should warm it up.
Yeah, we're
Please
just
go
gonna
wash your
warm it
hands.
up. Mom, go warm it up. Oh my god. There's casserole
All right, let
in
me
it.
warm it for you, okay?
There's casserole in it.
Okay, sorry guys, we'll be back in a few minutes.
While that's going on, I am going to show you
To show you guys our new slimes that we got from Duke Slime. So, I got a cloud slime and a slushy slime. We'll show you these guys later.
Is
but
cloud slime. You just gotta poke it.
no, that's not the cloud slime.
Well,
That's
wait,
the
no, yeah,
that's
this
the
is a
slushy bead.
And I also got this lemonade. It's very clicky.
And then we're gonna show you guys this one later. So it's cotton candy.
Now that the Rex is
Warmed up. It's probably gonna turn into a maybe jiggly slime. I
yeah,
don't know.
it usually always turns into jiggly slime. It's becoming. It looks very poppy. It's not really sticking to the sides that much.
So let's just add some more.
I'll add it. I hope that this doesn't turn into hard slime or jiggly slime. So now we're going to start using it with our hands.
It's not really sticky anymore.
Okay. It's turning into slime.
And if it's sticky or anything, you
Mommy,
can just add a
Are you
lotion.
learning how to do
I
this?
am. I could probably do it all by myself.
So after we make this slime, my mom's gonna make this her own slime. Sorry, my brother is still talking.
It is pretty stretchy.
It's not really that stretchy. So Sophia's gonna do some ASMR for you guys. While I go get some lotion, or she's gonna talk to you guys and tell you some stuff.
Okay, so yes, I'm not gonna do ASMR right now because I'm gonna do ASMR at the very end of the video, actually. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm sorry, I have to use something to hold it up because I'm usually the camera person. So you have to hold it up. No, I can't. Okay, so it's not going to be that satisfying because I'm only using one hand.
Okay, Sophia, I'm
So it's slushy slime.
I told her don't tell him.
So it's slushy slime and look, it's kind of cloudy too.
Come on, Sophia. Have you done Dove hand wash?
So we usually use Dove hand wash. We don't use Dove lotion because that
Melts down the slime too much.
yeah. So we're just gonna use Dove hand lotion.
A little squirt of the lotion. Okay.
Ooh, what's the lotion for?
Oh, it's actually hand wash because the slime was pretty hard.
So it's kind of, you know, like it's getting a little bit hard or sticky. You can just,
Sophia, you're gonna get your hands all dirty.
so basically when it gets sticky, it's melting it down and it's kind of getting a little bit stretchier while it's melting down. See?
It's like, when you like stretch it, it's kind of sticky. Sophia, you're gonna have to like wash your hands after the video. Okay.
So like see how this slime, it's all blah, but then this slime, it's
Gonna add a little bit more.
the before.
And the after
that
is very different.
Yeah, so the
After?
before
Oh.
is this all gooey with borax, and then the after
is this nice
is this
stretchy
nice
thing.
stretchy
Thing.
slime.
Sophia, you're gonna get it all over your hands, so touch it.
Okay,
I think
well,
we need to add a little bit more borax because we melted it down a little too much because it's a very tiny slime. So we're gonna have to move that.
so while she's doing that, I'll go and show you the slime that I wanted to show you guys earlier. So this is the slime. It looks like yellow, like peachish, but really it's like this pinkish kind of texture, kind of like this, but way lighter.
Okay, I'm ready to show you guys the finished result of our purple nice slime. Sophia, I wouldn't touch it.
So it's pretty stretchy.
It's very stretchy. Now it's ASMR time for this slime.
Oh my!
I told you. I know it's so hard. These are the slimes that we made last night. Oops, sorry guys.
It looks like really bad because I didn't put them away.
They're very hard now.
It used to be.
So we mixed some of our slimes, and also in this video we're going to be showing you a few of our slimes from our slime collection. So yeah. By the way, this is our printer. I don't know why I just said that, but it's kind of weird. So here.
Okay, so I made this one.
Okay.
And I made this one. It's kind of bluish, but in the picture it looks more blue or something, but it's actually blue, if you can see, and it's cloud. But the cloud that I use, it's kind of like the snow's like falling out. This one is, this slime, but it's the cloud. Wait, it's just the cloud. Yeah, it's the cloud. It's called Cotton Candy. This one, it's called Frozen Lemonade Twist. Wait, I don't know if you guys could see that. Oh, wait. See if you guys can see. And then this one, it's Ice Cold Lemonade, if you guys can see. www.dupeslimes.com. So go and check the slimes out. And yeah.
Guys, here's the finished finale of this beautiful purple slime. When we are done with the slime making, we're going to mix another colored slime into this slime and make basically like a slime smoothie thingy.
So we'll be back in a few minutes. Bye.
Okay, guys, we are back, but we have not made the new slime yet, so we still have to do that. Sophia, where did you, there. Okay, take the camera.
And also, while she's doing this, it's going to be a surprise for you guys. So I'm going to go and show you all of the dupe slime, of our dupe slime collection. So we have this one. This is the cloud. It kind of looks better, so I could give you a little stretch test. I only have one hand because I'm holding the camera, so it's not going to be that good of an ASMR or anything. If you could hear that, you guys, listen very closely. Right. I love that little crunch. And make sure to go and subscribe to my friend JJ's World, YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you this slime. It's the frozen lemonade twist slime. This one, it's a slushy bead or something like that. So it makes all of this kind of crunchy noises. And this slime used to be a two-toned slime. It was like kind of lightish pink and yellow. And I really liked it. So go and check out this slime. It's really good. And I'm pretty sure there's a Coca-Cola one that is out right now. So go and check that one out. And it's a bigger size than this. But go and check it out if you guys want to. Or you can order this one at dupeslimes.com. So go and check it out. So the next slime is my sister's ice cold lemonade slime. I'm going to show you that one later. So sorry guys, I told you that we're going to show you all of them later, but I never got a chance to. So, and I believe Adriana just finished making the slime. So if she's ready, I can go and go and show you guys the slime. So are you ready?
We're actually not really that quite done, but I just wanted to show you. This is a white slime. We're going to break it into a few pieces to make a slime smoothie. After, we're going to do it in lots of different colors. We're going to mix colors. It'll be super fun. So make sure to see that video because we're going to put it in a separate video.
But right now, I'm going to show you guys this one, and my sister is going to be trying to get that all situated and everything. So this one, it's a littler slime because my sister, like, you know, she mixed like a couple slimes with it. She took some out, and then she did something with it. So I don't know what she personally did to it. I'm trying to get this out, but I only have one hand. So I'll see you guys later, sorry. Okay guys, welcome back. So this one, it's really sticky, so it's gonna be hard to do it with. It makes great bubble pops. Actually, I'll show you guys that later because I only have one hand right now. I may get Adriana to hold the camera so I can show you guys the excellent bubble pops. But for now, I'm just clicking. And here's some ASMR. Okay, guys. My sister is done, I think.
Almost.
But it's
Pretty stringy.
yeah, right now, because when you add the lotion, it gets all stringy, but don't be worried because it's going to fix later. See, it's not that stretchy, but once we add all of it in, it's going to make this beautiful slime.
We're going to call this slime marshmallow slime, but in a few seconds, well, in the next previous video, we are going to be coloring this slime.
So, bye guys. I hope you would go and check out our other video. So, bye.